In this demo, we will download and install Descartes ViewExpert software. ViewExpert is a free software and does not need any license code. Descartes software products are only supported on 64-bit Windows platform, so this means that you need to have a computer with 64-bit Windows operating system to be able to run the software. To start downloading the installation package, you need to first open a browser window. And then in the address line, type the Descartes website address www.descartes.fi. In the website, you can select Downloads page. In that page, you see a list of available software packages. The ViewExpert software is found as the first one in the list. For the ViewExpert, you select the link to the download page. In the download page, there is some information about the software and the installation package. For example, it shows the latest version, exact version number. In this page, you can click the download link. That opens an information form where you can fill in your information and press the submit button below to start the downloading. This means that later you will receive some marketing information email from Descartes. If you want to bypass that, you can click the direct link above the information forms. This will start downloading the package. The different browsers show the downloading a little bit different way. We use here the Google Chrome browser, which shows the downloading here down. The downloading takes a little bit time because it's 140 megabyte package. When the download finishes, you can find the installation package in your downloads folder. So if you open a new File Explorer window and select Downloads folder, you can see the ViewExpert 12.1 installation package there. To start the installation, you can double-click the package in the File Explorer window, or you can run the package directly from the browser window by selecting the right mouse button and then from the menu open. This will start the installation process, and to the first window you can just click Next. In the license agreement window, you need to select the I accept the terms option. For the installation folder, you can use the default or choose another folder if you like. And then after clicking the install button, we'll start the installation. If you have the user account control on, it will show you this kind of confirmation window. It shows that the package is signed by the Descartes or as a verified publisher. For this window, you need to select yes. When the installation is ready, you can click the Finish button and close these windows. And then you can see the Descartes View Expert symbol on your desktop. The software can be started from this icon on desktop, or the same software is found also in the Start menu. With dletter, here is the Descartes View Expert 12.1, which we just installed. So let's try to start the software. And it starts successfully. With the help About View Expert menu command, you can always check what version you are running. And here we see that it's 12.1.0.10, which we just installed. So now we have successfully installed Descartes View Expert on our machine.